NZ, Aussie Dlrs have busy day, Fed minutes Loom Hong Kong. The Australian and New Zealand dollars had been volatile in Asia on Wednesday, before finishing up returned near where they began, presenting a few exhilaration beforehand of the discharge of minutes of the U.S. Federal Reserve's contemporary meeting later inside the day. The Kiwi jumped to as excessive as $0.6383 after the Reserve Bank of New Zealand hiked charges via an anticipated 50 foundation points (BPS) and pointed to the want to bring forward the timing of future charge increases. The currency then paired its gains and became ultimate 0.28% better at $0.6361. The RBNZ's remarks became marginally at the hawkish side, enough to maintain the pressure on charges, said Jason Wong, senior market strategist at BNZ, who said the music for the official cash price implied another 50 bits per second hike in October. Across the Tasman Sea, the Australian dollar fell as lots as 0.5% after data showed Australian wage increases overlooked forecasts and lagged badly behind inflation. It later paired the one's losses to change down 0.15%, conserving back simply above the symbolic 70 cents level. Elsewhere, the Greenback Index, which tracks the greenback in opposition to six important friends, became a fraction lower at 106.3, having ended on Tuesday largely unchanged. The index has recovered maximum of the ground it lost final week after a cooler than expected U.S. inflation analyzing, but remains nicely off its mid-July pinnacle of 109.29. The Fed's beef with the market in latest days and weeks has been that the Fed, don't join the marketplace's view that it will likely be slicing fees in 2023, said Ray Attrell, international head of FX approach at National Australia Bank (OTC), NABZY. So if there are matters within the minutes that beat back towards that perception, and that ends in a repricing of the U.S. rate curve for 2023, that could be a catalyst for a reversal of the U.S. dollar weak point that has characterized this ultimate month or so. Also of interest is whether the recent equity marketplace rally might retain, he stated, as danger sentiment and the U.S. greenback had been negatively correlated in latest months. The euro changed into steady at $1.0180 after squeezing out small gains in a single day, and sterling turned into closing fetching $1.21225, up 0.2% ahead of inflation statistics that is predicted to be crimson hot. The Japanese yen became at 134.1, little modified in Asia alternate. The currency has been a prime beneficiary of the softer greenback and firmed to as a lot as 131.7 per dollar ultimate week, but has when you consider that given returned a number of those profits. In cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin changed into lower back hovering around $24,000, down from a month excessive of $25,200 hit Monday.